Ambitious people, we want to get it done maybe before our lifetime, but we need to move, and I think the educational institutions can do wonderful things. It's just a matter of strategizing, focusing, prioritizing, and putting things in action. So brothers and sisters, all this cannot happen just by relying or accusing the UN or talking about this, we can keep talking. But in the end, the bottom line is, what can I do? What you can do? What that institution can do? And how to connect this together. Then, when we start. God says in the Quran, God will not change the condition of any people, any organizations, any people, any communities, unless and until they change what in themselves. So history is in you, in me, in yourself. And we can start changing today, now, individually, so that we see communities changing. After we have had all these great rabbis, scholars, Christian, Buddhist, Indian, what to do next? As an individual, myself, what to do next? Next Monday? Tomorrow? Next hour? What to do to spread the culture, the mindset, the values of human value? What is my next action towards my neighbor who is a Christian or a Jew or a Buddhist or a Confucianist, or this next hour, when I meet him next time, what should I do to show that we need to move forward in the idea of valuing human life? It starts all with yourself, with your family, with your neighbor. So, we have to do actions. And as our professor, one of the professors in the forum, he was saying that as long as this consciousness of the human value, the sanctity of human value is not inside you, is not in you, is not conditioning your action, your behavior, your relations, we will just keep talking. And as you know today, who is your neighbor? Because of social media, because of technology, because of artificial intelligence, who is your neighbor? Your neighbor is no longer the guy who is staying from here, or Atas, or Bawa, but the neighbor is the whole universe become your neighbor. You can talk to everybody anytime, any hour. Your neighbor is the whole world. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam, this is the last. Prophet Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam mentioned in one of his traditions. He said, the people who does good, who do good and do bad, is like a group of people went into a boat in the sea. And some of them sit down on the bottom and some in the upper level. Those down there, they told the people on the upper level to give them water. But the people up there, they say, no, this water is our water and we cannot give you. The people down there, they say, okay, then we will dig a hole in the boat and we will sink all. The Prophet Muhammad says, if all these people, they take care of themselves and they work together and they come as one hand to save the boat, they will save. But if they defer and they continue quarreling and fighting and conflicting, they will die all. So our situation of the world today is like this boat. Whether we are saved all or we go all. And the more we go into the future, with the sophisticated weapons and artificial intelligence and technology and selling of weapon and creating war to sell the weapon and all this what you know all. Humanity will need wisdom. Knowledge not enough. Even values not enough. Even ethics not enough. It's only wisdom of the Buddhist, of the Christian, of the Jew, of the Muslims, even the non-Muslim, the atheist, but the wisdom can be a savior of humanity. So that's the situation of the world today. Brothers and sisters, once again, you are doing a wonderful thing, and we will support you as much as we can. And please, we will come together. Prof. Murad, you plan for meetings to get experts and to move forward in sharpening this proposal, this declaration, and we will take it to other levels. With this one, I once again thank all our speakers, our scholars, our students, our NGOs, the people who come in this morning, and now may God bless you all, and Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.